Today we have this 2012 Chevrolet Camaro V6 LT, and we have a P0496 evaporative emission non-purge. So let's go ahead and open up the hood and see what's up. Alright, so the purge valve is located right in the intake. So first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and pop this oil cap filler off. Take this cover, sit that down, and on this side we have our purge valve. So let's go ahead and start taking it off. We're going to go ahead and remove these lines. There's a pigtail connected to it, this one here, and we'll take that off. Okay, I'm going to use a speed ratchet to remove this screw from here. Oh, it's pretty tight. There it is, size 10 millimeter. That way we're able to get this here and out. Alright, and there it is, nice and loose. Let's go ahead and just wiggle this sucker out of there. There it is. And that will bring us right up to here. Gives us a lot more access. Let's go ahead and undo this pigtail. There's a little switch right there, right at the bottom. Go ahead and press that, lift that, and pull that out. Alright, and there is the pigtail. Now we can bring this a little bit more forward. There it is. And the way you remove this is you simply press this down and pull this out. I'm gonna need both hands. So again, just press this down, it releases it, just press this out. There it is. Sweet. And that is how we remove the purge VAP solenoid on this 2011 Chevy Camaro. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you stay tuned to the next video of how to install it. There's the replacement right there. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna drop my light. Stepped on the cord. Here it is. There's the replacement. Come on, get out of the box. There it is. So we'll just replace the little grommets that it has here with the screw, and we'll install it. Oh, should come with a new seal. Did I drop it? Anyways, stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.